artificial intelligence has rapidly proliferated into every corner of our daily lives. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Vall-E are changing how we view creativity, knowledge work, and the limits of technology. But AI-driven solutions that have recently made headlines are only part of the picture. Hiring artificial intelligence development services has become key for business success. A developer specializing in artificial intelligence, known as an AI developer, primarily focuses on developing and deploying intelligent systems. AI engineers are involved with numerous topics, including natural language processing algorithms, machine learning algorithms, and computer vision. AI development requires expertise across several fields, from mathematics and computer science to data analysis and statistical modeling. Artificial intelligence developers play many different roles and responsibilities. Their primary duty may involve designing algorithms, understanding business requirements, and gathering and processing data before incorporating AI technology into existing systems. Key responsibilities include crafting intelligent algorithms, data modeling and analysis, integrating AI capabilities into existing systems, performance tuning, and staying abreast of AI technologies and methodologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning developer employment is growing quickly. A recent report by McKinsey & Company projects that AI will add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030 and create around 1.1 million related developer positions worldwide. As more businesses adopt artificial intelligence systems for their operations, the demand for AI app development experts capable of designing and building these systems will only increase. Below are 7 skill sets associated with being an effective AI developer. Programming skills are essential, typically including proficiency with popular programming languages like Python, C++, and Java. Data science skills have become indispensable, as AI engineers work with massive amounts of information. Machine learning and algorithms are cornerstones of AI development. Familiarity with collaboration and teamwork, excellent conceptual thinking, and an understanding of AI versus human intelligence are also crucial. A successful AI development team typically includes several elements. The data team is responsible for gathering, processing, and analyzing data. The algorithm research team focuses on developing deep learning and machine learning models. Infrastructure platform engineers design and optimize software products infrastructures. The application team handles the customer interface, composed of front-end/full-stack development engineers, UX designers, and product managers. When hiring AI developers, finding top talent is paramount. Determine the AI skills needed for your project. Craft an effective AI developer job description to attract qualified specialists. Post your AI job opening on online portals like LinkedIn, Coders.dev, TopTal, and Monster. Review candidates based on skills, compatibility with culture, and ability to work independently. Ask candidates to complete tasks and attend group interviews to assess their abilities and fit within your team. By following these steps, you can navigate the ever-changing field of artificial intelligence and build a strong AI development team to drive your business forward.